Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to unsave an item on Facebook. If you've saved something in the past and no longer need it, you can easily remove it from your saved items list. Let's dive into the simple steps. Step 1. Open Facebook. Launch the Facebook application or visit the Facebook website in your browser. Step 2. From the left-hand side, click on Saved. This will take you to your saved items page. Step 3. Scroll down to find all your saved items. Here, you'll see a collection of everything you've saved on Facebook. Step 4. Locate the item you want to unsave and click on the 3 dots next to it. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. Step 5. Click on Unsave from the menu. Confirm your decision, and that's it. By following these simple steps, you can easily declutter your saved items list on Facebook. Remove the items you no longer need, and keep your saved items organized. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.